Hi! In front of me is TOSCIDO X109 and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. First of all, you need to access Settings and choose Connected Devices. Now select Pair New Device and wait for available ones to show up. When they do, you need to click on the one that you wish to connect to. In my case, this Nokia. Now wait for the pop-up and select Pair. Then wait for the other device to accept your connection request, and as you can see, my devices were successfully connected. If you wish to disconnect them, you can always do that by choosing this gear icon next to the device, tapping on Forget and confirming your choice in this pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!